Alrighty, folks, here is a little update on what's been going on. So first off, we've had too much of a good thing here, and the mountain is closed because of this blizzard that's going on. So up on the mountain, there are extremely high winds. They can't operate any of the chairlifts. So we're back. And actually, we haven't been out. But it's been really good here. So all this stuff that we talked about in the earlier video is really holding up pretty well. So you always have to be looking at what is the stock doing? And this level right here, this 318.90 level, has been a good pushback into 318.50. Now you notice that I tweaked that line a little bit from where it was earlier, and you're going to have to do that. You have to make adjustments as the day goes on to where things are really finding support, where they're finding resistance. 18.90 down to 18.50 has been the gold standard for a while here. The stop is up around 319.45. So the stop is really right now based on it's got to get up and out of this VWAP up here and break up above that fib retracement, that 382 fib retracement, before I'm going to take the trade off. But we've had enough good ones so far. If this one stops me out, it's just going to be too many trips back to the well. But it's been in such a box, right? It's been trading in the box all day long that it felt like waiting for it to get back up into the pivot to make the retracement that we were talking about was really not going to be that likely, at least for the morning into the early afternoon. As the day progresses, I just tell you, I'm still expecting that we're going to see a move back up into this range. It is unlikely that this thing is going to stay down as hard as it has, but as long as these bands that we see, our 2SD bands, right, are tracking this tight, then it's a good bet that your sideways consolidation is going to be in place for a while. And that's really what happened from about 11:30 Eastern time, when we start looking at these things, until now. So it looks like it's trying to push a little higher. The real resistance here is up above 319.29. That high right there is where it ran into resistance earlier. I think that we've got this volume by price over here working on us. And just in general, we're going to see what happens over the next probably 20 minutes here and whether it keeps us in this particular trade. 318.90 was the short sale. And we will see if she rides higher into the 395 stop. So we've got an order sitting there, and we are looking to see if we get our reversal back lower. And as luck would have it, just a few minutes later, before I even got the video put out there, here we are. We hit the profit objective, and you can see we're rounding back up again into that threshold level that I was just talking about. So this is how we put the pieces together. And this is the kind of thing that you should be looking at all day. This is not about me telling you exactly where to get in and get out. This is about me giving you the idea and you taking those ideas and implementing them the way that you see them rolling out on a chart. Have a great rest of your day, guys.